Imagine you are standing in a hot, dusty warehouse. A critical machine has just stopped working. The engineer hands you a broken, greasy metal part and says, "Boss, we need to replace this immediately." You look at the part. There is no brand name, no model number, no manual. You try to call your supplier. "Hello? It is a round metal thing, about 5 inches wide, with 3 holes." The supplier has no idea what you are talking about. You send photos, wait for emails, and waste 3 days just to find the name of the part. Meanwhile, your factory is stopped, losing money every hour. In the past, this was a detective game. But today, I solved this problem in exactly 3 seconds. I don't describe the part. I let AI see it. Let me show you how to use ChatGPT or Google Lens as your expert engineer. Most people just take a photo and ask, "What is this?" That is okay for flowers, but not for business. To make money, you need a sourcing prompt. Take a photo of the part, upload it, and type this specific command. Act as a sourcing expert. I have uploaded a photo of an industrial part. Number 1, identify the technical name and specifications. Number 2, what is the HS code for customs clearance? Number 3, give me the best search keywords for Alibaba or Amazon. Look at the magic happen. AI analyzes the rust, the shape, the thread type. It tells you this is a pneumatic solenoid valve, 2-way, normally closed type. It gives you the HS code 848180, and it tells you exactly what to type into Alibaba to find the cheapest factory in China. Here is a bonus tip. If the part has a label in German or Chinese that you can't read, just snap a photo. AI will translate the technical terms instantly. Stop guessing. Stop wasting time describing round metal things. Use the magic lens to see the data behind the product. I have put the exact sourcing prompt on my blog. Click the link below, copy it, and keep it in your phone. It will save your day when you least expect it.